Hi, this is Henry with Mister Quik, based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. Today we're going to talk about surge protection for your whole home electrical system panels. Taking a look at a 200 amp panel located in your garage or in your basement of your homes. A surge protector is a piece of equipment that we install on a breaker or within a new breaker that we would put within the home that is practically an insurance policy for your home. So what happens is every day you get between 18 and 30 surges from your power company, and none of those surges are regulated. A surge protector regulates those surges and makes sure that no surge is too big for a piece of equipment. So say without a surge protector in your home and a surge comes through that was not meant for your home and burns up your furnace or tears down a television from inside and wears it down, a surge protector will cover that cost, therefore it's not out of your pocket. How long does a surge protector last? Actually, it lasts forever. So we have a lifetime warranty on our surge protector. So if you have any problems with your surge protector, you don't think that it's working right, we can either come out and repair it, take a look at it for you, make sure that all the power coming in and out of it is right, or we'll replace it for you with no cost. Our surge protectors are lifetime. We carry a lifetime warranty on our surge protectors, so if you have any issues, we'll get it back out same day to fix it. And if your surge protector does have the rare chance of going out or bad on you, we'll get that replaced for you free of cost.